The Israeli and Hamas conflict has once again reached a critical juncture. As of now, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has issued a stern ultimatum to Hamas: release all Israeli hostages by mid Saturday or face the resumption of intense military operations in Gaza. This development follows a series of events that have escalated tensions between the two parties. On October 7, 2023, Hamas launched a significant attack on southern Israel, resulting in the death of approximately 1,200 individuals and the abduction of 251 hostages. Since then, various negotiations have led to release some of the hostages, but many remain in captivity. On 20 October 2023, Hamas released two Israeli American hostages. Their release was seen as a gesture of goodwill and amid growing international pressure. Just a few days later, on 23 October 2023, two elderly Israeli hostages were freed. Then on 30th October 2023, the Israeli Defense Forces successfully carried out a high-risk operation, rescuing one of their soldiers held hostages by Hamas. The most significant exchange occurred on 21 November 2023, when a temporary truce was broken. As a part of agreement, Hamas released 50 Israeli hostages, while Israel freed 240 Philistine prisoners. Added to the pressure, US President Donald Trump has demanded the immediate release of all hostages, warning that failure to do so would result in a severe consequences for the Hamas. In response, Hamas has accused Israel of breaching ceasefire terms, leading to the suspension of further hostages release. They argue that adherence to the ceasefire is essential for the safe return of captives. Israel, anticipating a potential breakdown in the ceasefire, has mobilized additional forces and positioned additional forces around the Gaza, signaling readiness to escalate a military action if their demands are not met. As the Saturday deadline approaches, the world watches closely, hoping for a resolution that spares further bloodshed and leads to the safe return all hostages. Thank you for watching.